Samsung has begun rolling out the One UI 6.11 update for the Galaxy S24 series in China and the USA. The update, with firmware versions S9280ZHU3AX07 in China and S928USQ3AX07 in the US, is available for carrier-locked devices in the USA. It's a significant update, over 2.8 gigs in size, and includes the August 2024 security patch. Key features of One UI 6.11. Galaxy AI enhancements. Transform simple sketches into detailed images, create unique AI-generated portraits, and let AI assist with writing text and translating calls in supported apps. Enhanced translation capabilities. Translate text on web pages, in images, and in voice recordings. Live translation is now available in Google Meet and WhatsApp. Health and wellness updates. Samsung Health now offers new wellness tips, detailed sleep analysis, and the ability to monitor energy levels with Galaxy AI. You can also share health data with family members and create custom workout routines. Productivity improvements. The update includes enhanced multi-window experiences, easier file management, improved calendar features, and more options for automating tasks on your Galaxy Watch. Visual and functional updates. Enjoy new photo editing features, special weather effects for wallpapers, and the ability to clip and create animated stickers from images. Security enhancements. Autoblocker now offers maximum protection against malware, blocking hyperlinks and automatic downloads and messages, and more. Overall, One UI 6.11 brings a host of new features, productivity enhancements, and security improvements, making it a significant update for Galaxy S24 users. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.